Okay, guys, so we know Bitcoin and other altcoins have been crashing. Okay, especially yesterday, we saw the entire crypto market crash, and not just crypto, even the stock market, right? The S&P 500 crashed, right? And that's because we had the Fed rate cuts. Okay, so we saw the markets crash, and I told you guys, okay, if you guys haven't seen my most previous video, the one that I uploaded last night, you should definitely check it out. But I told you guys, okay, if you simply want to make money in crypto, okay, in the next upcoming few months, right, 6 to 8 months to even 10 months, you better get it now. Okay, this is a opportunity, guys, to buy now. A lot of people think it's too late to buy now, but it's not, guys. Okay, and right now, right, altcoins are still down. Bitcoin is now below $100,000. This is a great opportunity, guys, okay, to buy more. And if you haven't bought any, you should start buying more now, right? Just to start, DCAing. Okay, if you simply want to make money in crypto, because we know, guys, okay, throughout next year, 2025, okay, it's going to be an amazing time for crypto. We know that. Okay, we are in fact in a bull market, guys. Understand that. Okay, and Bitcoin, okay, it's nowhere near the top. Okay, a lot of people think it's at the top right now or it's near the top. No, it is not, guys. Bitcoin is going to reach 150, 180 to $200,000 and higher, and even 300,000 and much higher. It is very, very possible. So in today's video, there is in fact a fair few things that I want to talk about, and as usual, there is in fact some charts that I want to show you guys, and I want to give you guys a little update on what is happening today with the crypto market and of course Bitcoin itself. So Bitcoin right now, guys, okay, holding at $97,000. We are in fact in the 4 hour time frame, and man, it is looking pretty rough, I must say, right? We saw Bitcoin, okay, a couple of days ago, okay, about 3 days ago, reaching a new high of $108,000, okay, $108.4 thousand, okay, and it's dropped, right? And you guys can clearly see Bitcoin right now is now below $100,000. This is, guys, like I said, a great opportunity, okay, to buy now, okay, especially during this time. Okay, we know, guys, we are in fact in a bull cycle. So when we see dips, okay, especially during this time, it's a great opportunity, right? Take it as a gift, guys. This is not the time to be panicking or to be worried, right? When others are fearful, we got to be greedy. Okay, we know that. So it's a great time right now to buy Bitcoin. It's a great time to buy some Ethereum. Look at how much Ethereum has dropped, sitting at $3.3 thousand right now, just below $3.4 thousand. A couple of days ago, when it's high as over $4,000, $4.1 thousand. So man, it is a great time right now to buy some Ethereum, right? It really, really is, guys. Now, the crypto market, okay, the crypto market cap is sitting at 3.35 trillion. I feel like for the past few days, this has been dropping. Okay, yesterday we saw it at about 3.51 trillion. Now it's sitting at 3.35 trillion. So it's dropping, and look at this, right? The market today is down almost 5%. So it seems like, okay, altcoins are still dropping, guys, today, right? Altcoins are still continuing to drop. Okay, Bitcoin is still continuing to drop as well. So, this is a great opportunity, guys, like I said, okay, to buy in. Look at, all these reds. Okay, everything is pretty much down, guys. Okay, you guys can just clearly see a lot of reds today throughout the crypto market. Okay, a lot of altcoins. Okay, we're seeing a lot of altcoins down 5%, some over 10% even. Okay, so look at this, right? It's a great time to buy altcoins, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Look at this altcoin up 15%. Okay, which is pretty rare because look at this, guys. Okay, a lot of reds today for altcoins, including Bitcoin. Okay, so like I said, guys, this is a great opportunity right now to buy altcoins and Bitcoin. Okay, take this as an opportunity, guys, to buy more, right? To accumulate more. Okay. Now look at this, the FIN Greed Index right now sitting still in greed mode, sitting at 74. Okay, last week, okay, we were in fact in extreme greed, even last month in extreme greed, but today, even yesterday, we are in fact in greed mode. Okay, so we're still in greed mode, guys. Okay, nothing is really changing here. It's still looking pretty good. I mean, who knows where it will be tomorrow? Okay, the sentiment could change to neutral. Who knows? We will see. But right now, it's still looking pretty good right now for the FIN Greed Index sitting in greed. Okay, now the Bitcoin monthly returns. Okay, about 3 days ago, when we saw Bitcoin pumping to a new all-time high of $108,000, over $108,000. This, okay, was up 10%, over 10%. And now, okay, it's still in the greens. Okay, you guys can clearly see that as of right now, and it's up almost 1%. Okay, so this could change in the reds, guys, but don't you guys worry, okay, because I still believe, okay, that this month we're gonna finish off in the greens. Okay, so we still have, guys, okay, about a few days left, just over a week left into this month of December. So we still have time to see Bitcoin pumping. Remember, guys, we have the Santa rally, okay, and I will, in fact, show you guys a chart, okay, indicating and showing us that, around Christmas time, right, we're going to see Bitcoin pump, because usually, okay, around December, especially during Christmas time, Bitcoin does pump. Okay, so we're going to see a Santa rally, guys. Okay, so there is, in fact, a chart that I will show you guys. Now, in other news, okay, the SEC approves Hashdex, Franklin's Bitcoin Ether ETFs. Okay, so this is huge news, guys. Okay, this is obviously, very, very bullish. So yes, SEC approves Hashdex, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, and Ethereum ETF. Okay, very eye-opening, right? This is obviously, very, very bullish. I want to get some positivity, right, for this video, since crypto is down, the market's down. This is obviously, very, very bullish for, Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay, for the ETFs, right? So that is absolutely amazing to see. Now, guys, alt season. I hope you guys are ready for alt season, man. Okay, I feel like I've been talking about, this alt season because you guys have to understand, okay, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make life-changing money in the next few months, right? Especially next year, 2025. Next year, 2025, guys, new millionaires will be printed, will be made, and you can, in fact, be one of them, okay? You can easily 10x, 20x, even 50x, even 100x your money, okay? You just have to pick the right altcoins, okay? You have you guys have to do your own research and pick the right altcoins to invest in, okay? So look at this chart, right? Bitcoin dominance, right down here, you guys can clearly see when Bitcoin dominance drops, okay? Usually, okay, when Bitcoin dominance drops, that's when, the crypto total market cap will skyrocket. That's pretty much when alt season will begin. And you guys can just clearly see it is, in fact, having a breakdown right now, as I showed you guys many times. Okay, it is breaking down from support. Okay, it is dropping. So, soon enough, alt season will begin, and we're going to see the crypto total market cap skyrocket to a new high. Okay, and that's when we're going to see, a lot of altcoins in the crypto market skyrocketing, large caps, even low caps. All these altcoins, right? Either they are, large caps or low caps, they're going to skyrocket. Trust me, guys. Okay, they will skyrocket. So understand, this is a great opportunity right now to get in, guys, to make money, right, in crypto. If you simply just generally want to make money in crypto, you better get in now, especially with altcoins, right? Buy some Bitcoin if you want to, but get some altcoins for sure. Okay, because altcoins, they will, perform a lot more better than Bitcoin. Okay, and I'm not saying that you shouldn't have any Bitcoin in your portfolio. As I told you guys many times, you can't just go all in on altcoins. You need some Bitcoin in your portfolio, right? Don't just go all in on altcoins. In fact, I highly suggest you guys that have more Bitcoin than altcoins. Okay, so that is that. But you guys do you. But understand, looking at this, alt season is truly about to begin. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Now look at this, guys. Okay, El Salvador, right, buys 11 Bitcoin worth over $1 million for their strategic Bitcoin reserve. Okay, we know, okay, El Salvador, okay, they have in fact been buying pretty much, I think, 1 Bitcoin every single day. Okay, but you guys just clearly see they bought 11 Bitcoins. Okay, and they're still continuing to buy. So this is absolutely amazing to see. Okay, absolutely amazing to see. Now, looking at these Bitcoin charts, okay, starting off with this one, a lot of people think the top it is, and no, okay, Bitcoin, okay, the peak is not in yet, guys. Understand that Bitcoin is going to skyrocket much higher, and you guys just clearly see, looking at this chart, what Bitcoin did back in 2017, okay, 2017, okay, it was skyrocketing. You guys can clearly see a lot of people thought the top was in, but it wasn't, okay, and it just kept skyrocketing throughout 2017, and that's exactly what's happening right now, okay, 2024 Q4, but understand we still have 2025, and we're going to reach a peak. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching 150, 180 to $200,000 and higher, even $300,000 and higher. It is very, very possible, guys. So I really want you guys to understand the top for Bitcoin. Okay, the peak is not in yet. Understand that. Okay, next year 2025. Okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching over 200k to even 300k and higher. It is very, very possible, guys. Okay, I don't know why people think the top is in for Bitcoin. Just because Bitcoin is at $100,000 right now, people think it's the top. No, guys, it is not. Bitcoin is nowhere near the top. Like, this is truly just the beginning of the bull run, guys. Okay, so get ready, because Bitcoin sometime next year, 2025, is going to reach a top of over 200k to even over 300k. Okay, and a lot of people are predicting that we're going to see Bitcoin going to like 400k to even $500,000. We will see about that. Okay, we will see. Now, looking at this as well, okay, understand corrections are normal, guys, especially during a bull market. I feel like a lot of people think, when we are in fact in a bull market, people expect Bitcoin to just pump. Okay, but understand, guys, okay, red days, okay, drawdowns, pullbacks, okay, corrections are normal, especially during, a bull run, during a bull market. So you guys can clearly see in this chart back in 2020, okay, we saw Bitcoin skyrocketing. Okay, it was gaining back its momentum, and of course, throughout 2021, it was reaching a new all-time high. It was absolutely exploding. But understand, guys, during this time, okay, when Bitcoin was pumping, 2020 of Q4, you guys can clearly see, okay, we saw a lot of, drawdowns, a lot of corrections back down to the downside during, right, this beautiful bull run. Okay, you guys can clearly see we'll find one right over here as well, one over here, one over here. You guys can clearly see that, right? It's creating a beautiful uptrend, but we are in fact seeing corrections along the way. So this is completely normal. It's like what's happening right now, right? 2024, okay, you guys can clearly see, okay, we did in fact see Bitcoin, okay, especially during November when we had the US election. Okay, that's when things really kicked in, right? Last month in November, Bitcoin just started to skyrocket. It was reaching new all-time highs like every single day. And along the way, we did in fact have corrections, okay, especially right now. Okay, we are in fact seeing Bitcoin having a correction. This is completely normal. Understand, guys, it's going to bounce back up. Okay, and that's why I always tell you guys to not be worried. Okay, corrections are normal, guys, especially during a bull market. We're not always going to see green days, right? Bitcoin is not just going to shoot up every single day. Okay, and that's exactly what Bitcoin did last November. I don't know if you guys remember, but yes, last November, Bitcoin skyrocketed. It felt like Bitcoin skipped those 80k levels. You guys understand what I'm trying to say here? Like, Bitcoin literally went from like $70,000 to like $90,000, over $90,000 in like almost 2 weeks time. It like skipped those 80k levels, like literally, right? So understand, guys, Bitcoin has been pumping a lot. So it's normal to see Bitcoin having this correction. Okay, so that is that, guys. Okay, don't you guys worry. Bitcoin will eventually bounce back up. Okay, this is not the time to be worried. Understand that, guys. I feel like I've been telling us that many, many times. Continue to buy, continue to hold, okay, and let the gains come to you, because we still have, 2025. It's about to be the New Year's. And as I told you guys many times, right, the year 2025 is going to be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto, right? 2021 was a great year, okay? Even 2017, even all the way back in 2013, those years were fantastic for Bitcoin and crypto. Same thing's going to happen for the year 2025. So be ready for that, okay? Now, looking at this chart, right, this is the chart that I wanted to show you guys, okay, that, Christmas, right, the Santa rally is coming. So you guys can clearly see during Christmas time, okay, Christmas of 2016, you guys can clearly see what Bitcoin did. It pumped. And of course, Christmas of 2020, it pumped. Christmas this year, 2024, I don't see why we won't see a pump, okay? So history does repeat itself, okay? It does rhyme in a way, guys, okay? So understand, guys, we still have the Santa rally, and that's why I really do believe, okay, that this month, December, we're going to end off in the greens. We're going to end it strong in the greens, okay? We're going to see it maybe bounce back up to 10% or higher. We will see. Depends how much, Bitcoin will pump during, Christmas time and whatnot, right? The remaining few days of December. But yeah, I really do believe the Santa rally is coming, guys. So be ready for that. And yes, Okay, when in doubt, zoom out. And you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is always reaching a new all-time high every single time we enter a new bull market. So understand right now we are in fact in a bull market, but okay, Bitcoin is nowhere near the top, like I said. And looking at this, you guys can clearly see we're going to see Bitcoin over $200,000 to even over $300,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. Okay, understand, guys. Looking at this chart, just look how beautiful this is. Okay, a lot of people think, Bitcoin is volatile. Yes, I get it. And I agree, right? Bitcoin is volatile short term. Okay, short term, yes, Bitcoin is very, very volatile. Okay, but long term, just look at it. Bitcoin is always reaching a new all-time high every single time we enter a new bull market. Every single time. It's always reaching a new high. And this is why I always tell you guys, right? Bitcoin is a great asset to invest in for long term. Okay, it has store value. It's a hedge against inflation, right? It really, really is. Bitcoin is always shooting up long term, guys. This is why I always tell you guys to buy Bitcoin for long term. Okay, don't worry about short term gains. Buy it for long term. Do this for your future self and for your family, right? So yeah, looking at this chart, you guys can clearly see it is always going up. It is always shooting up. So buy Bitcoin, hold it, and let the gains come to you guys. Okay, so that is that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin and crypto. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate all you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.